Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. Alright, so in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to open a PDF file in MS Word, okay? So this is our PDF file. So you can all see. I'm going to open this so that we can edit it in MS Word, okay? So you're going to right click on it. You're going to click on open with, and from open with you're going to click on choose another app. Okay, and from here you're going to more. Alright. And you see Word at the base of it. You're going to click on it and click on OK. Now what is happening is MS Word is scanning the PDF to produce a file which looks just like the PDF. Okay, so you're going to click on OK, and here we have it. Here we have our PDF file as a Word document. So now we can edit it, but then we couldn't edit it before when it was in the PDF form. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more videos.